So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about angel broking share. So we know recently also we have discussed about this particular stock starting from Telegram, and again we also discussed in a separate dedicated video near the 1400 rupees level, and even morning itself I've clearly mentioned that angel is going to give some very good upside momentum, and it has crossed more than 15% as well, and later it has settled around 1600 plus rupees level. So we'll try to discuss what are the next possible levels that can be observed. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so moving towards the Telegram post that first we discussed on Angel was around October 1st. So clearly I've mentioned that it has given a very good breakout, and simultaneously on the same day I've also updated a separate video related to technicals. So technically the stock has formed inverted head and shoulder pattern, so which is a very good pattern, and we know the targets also would be pretty good. So it has comfortably achieved those targets, and morning also I've discussed the same thing in the Telegram, and I told back in track, and people have invested at that point of time also have made some very good money. So today we'll discuss the delivery percentage, how actually the deliveries have been taken, and after that we'll go to the technical charts to find out the best possible levels. Okay, so first important thing that you can observe in the delivery section is the day-to-day percentage, how actually it is fluctuating. So on 12th October, we have seen 21.7% deliveries, and the stock has given around 4.9% positive movement. And if you see the previous sessions, a very good consolidation was present here, 2 days consolidation. So it was giving a very good confirmation. So that was the reason why I have suggested this particular stock. And today, as usual, 10 to 15% movement is not a joke. And on a capital also, you can make some very good money. So coming to the same thing, so a little bit of volatility has increased in this particular stock. So in the coming sessions, so it may take a little bit of break. It may move either in sideways or it may slightly correct. So these two possibilities are present for angel broking. So whatever happens, so we'll discuss all the levels. So quickly, let's move on to charts. Okay, so first, if we try to discuss in weekly chart time frame, so here you can say this was the region that I was clearly focusing, and this region after it has given a breakout, so you can see the complete candle closing was not being completed there. So in the next consecutive week, we have seen a little bit of correction, and it has respected the 1300 rupees level very well. So 1300, you can say roughly 1350. So that particular level it has respected very well, and after that we have seen in this particular week a good spike in volume, and followed by the retest also has been completed successfully. So I tell many times enter at the retest, so don't miss that opportunity. So same thing here, we have seen a good bounce back from there, and 1600 was a very good target for it, and it has even crossed that and approached 1670 in today's trading session. Okay, so everything is looking pretty good, and volumes are also very good, and money flow index has approached the overbought region, which is around 83. Okay, so next moving further towards the daily chart, so here we can see it could not sustain the 1600 rupees. So closing was below the 1600, so 1593 was the level. So coming to support, so first support would be around 1550 followed by 1500. So these are going to be the next supports, because 1500 already is a very good resistance where the stock has given breakout. So now it is going to be the support. So take that as a very strong support, and if you want to average and all, search for 1500 as a very good buying opportunity. So since in weekly chart we have given a very good closing, so whatever the downfall you're seeing, try to accumulate for targets of 1700. Okay, so this would be the next possible targets. So accumulation region would be 1500. So if it goes below, so keep a stop loss below 1500 and trade above 1600 for targets of 1700 plus. So these are for short term, and long term already we know the recently whatever the quarter results the company has posted a very good increase in client base, profits, everything is clearly observed. So no doubt about fundamentals. So very good stock, and you can keep holding it at each and every dip. Okay, so this is all about angel broking, and today's volume also clearly you can see very good spike is present, and Any queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDerivity. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.